Hello, my dear students, first secondary. I'm back with you again, continuing or completing Unit 5. In the last video, we started Unit 5, the reading passage. In this video, I'm going to complete the rest of the unit vocabulary. Vocabulary 1, page 60. Okay. We have different exercises on the page. Exercise A, B, C, and D. I'm going to show you the new vocabulary. Focus with me. Okay. Here. The first word is culinary. What's culinary? Culinary. Relating to food and how to cook it. Example, the use of garlic, whether for medical or culinary purposes, dates back to several centuries. Okay, wow, this is garlic bread. Okay, everything related the use of garlic, whether for medical or culinary purposes, for cooking purposes, okay, dates back to several centuries. Have you got the word? Culinary, culinary, okay. Another word, cuisine. Cuisine is a French word. It's derived from a French word. And you know, cuisine means kitchen, but it's used in restaurants and so on, words related to restaurants. Cuisine, it's a noun. Example, Venetian cuisine is based on seafood and rice. The seafood and rice, as you see from the images. The dishes are really delicious. They look delicious. Venetian comes from Venice. Okay, I want you to look at the word, as I told you, I agreed with you before. Look at some of the cuisines of the world, with the cuisine of the world. Okay? Look here. Simmer. What's simmer, as you see from the image? To cook it slowly at a temperature near boiling. Not boiling, but near boiling. To put down the fire and cook it slowly. This is simmer. It's a verb. It's simmer. Okay, the food is being simmered. They're simmering the food. Okay. Whet your appetite. It's an expression. Means what? To increase the feeling that you want to have something. This whets my appetite, makes me, okay, ready to eat. I want to eat something. Whet your appetite. We have some word variations. We have different verbs here. Nibble, munch, gobble. What's nibble? To eat something by taking a lot of small bites. Munch, to eat something using your teeth and jaws in a noisy way. Okay, this is munch in a noisy way. What's gobble? To eat something quickly and often noisily. Munch and gobble, they are near to each other, but this is more noisily. Gobble. Here you have nibble, munch, gobble. We have some adjectives here. Ravenous, starving, famished. What do you think these adjectives mean? Ravenous, starving, famished. Okay, we're going to know the meaning from the word starving. We are in the spoken language. We say we're starving. Means look at the girl, very hungry. She's really starving. She's eating hungrily. We have some nouns here. Feast, banquet, spread. What do these words mean? Feast, banquet, spread. As you see from the images, okay, it's a large table full of various types of food. This is feast, banquet, spread. Huge meals with various courses. Look at this. What's this? Now, platter. This is an empty platter. This is a full platter. Now, have you got the meaning of platter? Okay, have you got the meaning now? Yeah, I think you're clever and get the meaning. A large shallow dish used for serving food. Shallow, not deep. And this is the cover of the platter. Some platters have covers to keep the food safe. To keep it safe away from pollution and dirt. Look here. Staple. What's staple? A staple, not a stable. There's a difference. Staple means, look here, as you see from the image. Look here, and the other one. This is the Indian staple diet. Diet here doesn't mean diet to lose weight. Diet means a way of eating, system of eating, diet. Okay, an important product, special food, okay, food that people eat or use regularly. This is, okay, the rice is a staple for the Asian countries. And this is the Indian staple food or nutrition. This is what they eat. And this is what the Asians, most of the Asian, or all the Asian countries eat this type of rice. It's their staple food. Ethnic. The synonym, the same meaning of ethnic is original. How can we do that? Look here. Wow, nice dresses. Look here. Like the sari, the Indian sari is ethnic. Okay? A group of people who have the same culture and traditions. They wear the same way. Ethnic food, ethnic dress, whatever. Okay, we have difference between leftovers and the scraps. I think you know this, you're clever. What's the difference? Leftovers, as you see from the image, after you have eaten, you left some food after you. And these are scraps, small pieces of bread, and they are eaten by, this funny image, by chicken. Scraps. These are nouns. Beverage and drink. Beverage generally, it can be hot, can be cold. Drink here, it's generally like drink, but drink has general meaning. Like coffee, tea, these are fizzy drinks, okay, and so on. Beverage and drink. Here we end, okay, the vocabulary, page 60. Okay, it's very easy, and I think you have understood every word. And the explanation is really comprehensive in the booklet. So let's try to answer the exercises. Okay, because in next video, inshallah, I'm going to explain the second vocabulary to give you time to focus. Exercise number A, number 1, feed, page 60. Number 1, feed. Number 2, culinary. Number 3, cuisines. Number 4, simmered. Number 5, appetite. Someone, you know the meaning of appetite. You don't need to, okay, to tell you. Appetite. I have, okay, a good appetite for eating something. Exercise number A again. Feed, culinary, cuisine, simmered, appetite. Exercise number B. Circle the odd one out. The odd one in number 1, sip. Sip, to take a small amount of drink. Number 2, salty. It's easy. Number 3, stunted. And they had stunted before. Number 4, supper. Number 5, bake. Number 6, fizzy. Number 7, blonde. Blonde, it doesn't attract me to eat. Okay. Number 8, platter. And we have introduced the word platter. The odd word is platter. Let's repeat number B again. 1, I'm going to say the numbers from 1 to 8. Sip, the odd one is sip, salty, stunted, supper, bake, fizzy, blend, flatter. Exercise number C. Number 1, circle the correct words. Napkins. Number 2, cultivated. To be grown, to be cultivated, to cultivate the land. Okay. To harvest, the words we have cultivated and harvested. Harvest, to collect the crops. Cultivated. Okay. Number 3, toppings. Number 4, staple. Number 5, edible, can be eaten. Number 6, extracted, means taken. Number 7, ethnic. Number 8, consume. I repeat again. In order from 1 to 8. Choose or circle. Napkins, cultivated, toppings, staple, edible, extracted, ethnic, consume. Exercise number D, it's easy. Complete the sentences using both words, either leftovers, number 1, the words we have explained, leftovers, scraps. The first choice, scraps. The second one, leftovers. Number 2, fill the blank, the first blank, drink. The second blank, beverage. Number 3, bitter. Okay, sharp, bitter, to have a bitter taste, like the lemon. When you eat the lemon, it has a better taste. Bitter means, okay, doesn't taste nice, especially when you eat the lemon with its peel. The lemon peel and the orange peel, okay, are bitter. B-I-T-T-E-R. The sharp. Lemon has a sharp taste. Number 4, crack and beat. To beat, okay? To make the omelette, first crack the egg into a bowl and then beat them with a fork. You know the meaning of crack. I say the answers again. Scraps, leftovers, number 1. Number 2, drink, beverage. Number 3, bitter, B-I, sharp. Number 4, crack and beat. Okay, I come to the end of the video. I hope you benefited from this page and you got the new vocabulary. I want you to learn it well. Next time, inshallah, as I told you, I'm going to introduce the next vocabulary. See you again. Wishing you the best. Thank you and goodbye.